Hi guys, this is Jace Baldwin with the Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group here. Just wanted to shoot a little video here for you today in regards to the home inspection process. I know this is something that typically makes buyers a little uneasy when they get to that point. So now that you're considering the home inspection, you have an accepted offer on your property. So we are going to schedule a licensed inspection company to come out to the property. They are going to give us a full report of the property, and they actually email that to us too. So I know some people like to bring pen and paper and try to remember everything. So no worries there. We get a full detailed inspection of the property and a copy of that report as well. And the nice part is we are actually going to meet with the inspector as well after everything is all said and done and just go over some of the highlights of the inspections. So very common to come across things in the inspection. That's actually what we're paying the inspection company to do in this process, so don't be alarmed if they do come across some things. But ultimately, after we get an opportunity to review that inspection, we'll kind of collaborate there and come together on some things that we would like the sellers to address. And there's multiple different ways that we can do that. Ultimately, that comes down to kind of the discussion and some of the items that that are important to us, and do we want to assign a dollar value to those things, or do we want those things to physically be done? So a lot of different ways we can do that, but ultimately home inspections are a great idea. I think they're very important. They're very educational to the buyer, and it's very helpful in the process in determining what type of property you're getting moving forward as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Be more than happy to talk to you about that, and hope everybody's doing well out there as we near the end of the year. Thank you.